Hey, hi. What's up, guys? So let's see. Today's topic is in mapping, correct? So today I'm with Rohan Patil. He's my one of the best friend. Okay, so let me discuss on end mapping. Okay, so you can see the website hacking article. It's a awesome website. So really awesome website. There you can see number of articles related about hacking and cybersecurity. And the owner of articles website is Raj Chandal's. Okay, all right. So hacking article is the most popular website, and even everything is popular. All right. So what is Nmapping? Nmapping is nothing but network scanning tool. Okay, so we already discussed about Nmapping, and I take some points about it. That network mapper is like it's a free of cost and open source. Okay, you don't need to pay for the license. All right. So what is host scanning? The first point is host scanning. So why we need to use Nmapping? Nmapping is for to like find the services on the host. Okay, so there are particular hosts, or you can apply the mapping for a range of IP address. Okay, if you want to find the services on the particular IP, and you can, or you can do the range right now. So I don't know, if the range IP having up or down, then also I can use some argument to find out the up host or down host. Okay, so host scanning means what? Which IPs or which server or which IPs is live or not. So just type the SP command or SN command. The output will be host IP. Here you can see the IP range is 1 to 255. In between that, it scan the services ports, and like output will be show you. All right. So 1 second, guys. Give me a second. All right. All right. So again, so understand na? what I'm going to show you. Host scanning is like showing the up host only by using the argument sp. Next is what, and the work, how it work like spn is work like on the erp request. ओके ना. सो ईआरपी रिक्वेस्ट काय होते ते फॉरवर्ड होत आहे. जेव्हा एआरपी रिक्वेस्ट फॉरवर्ड, जेव्हा एआरपी रिक्वेस्ट फॉरवर्ड होते तेव्हा तो त्या रिक्वेस्ट थ्रो मॅक ऍट डी या आयपी पर्यंत पोहोचतो आणि त्याला ऑन आहे का अप आहे ते बघतो. अँड देन it will be responsive back that this IP or this host is up or not. If not reachable, ERP request is not reachable, then the response is IP is not on. Okay, so in between this range, it scan each and every IP address. So if there is a IP address, a live IP address, the response will show you only the IP is up. The another like off or close IP will not show here. So whole up IP address information will be displayed here after the output. Okay. The port scanning. Next one is the port scanning. Okay, so you can apply here like IP range, or you can use a CIDR value like 24, 8, 16 like this. Okay, so you can search this information from here also. So port scanning is what? TCP scan. Next point is a TCP or port scanning, not a TCP. Port scanning. Port scanning means what? The port. There are number of port. How much? How many ports are there?
65535.
Correct. So each port number have particular services.
Right.
Correct now. Particular service. Can you please check it out? My audio is there or not? Hello, mic check. Yes. Okay. So port scanning means what? To scan the port. So what we are going to scan? We are going to scan open port at least, but the status may be filter or close, etc., etc. So what does it mean? Close means what? Close means services is not started over the target or host. Filter means what? Partially. So we don't know the is started or not. Okay. All right. So open, this indicate that the application is listening for the connections on the port. If there is a 80 port number is open, it means what?
Web services.
Web services is
Open over there.
over there. And what about the close? It's a close. Correct. What about the filtered? The indicate that the props were not received and the status could not be established. It also indicate that the props are being dropped by some kind of filtering. Filtering है वहाँ पे, that's why it's dropping. Okay. Unfiltering, these indicate that the props were received but the state could not be established. Means you cannot be establish the connections. So open and filter means this indicate that the port was filtered or the open, but Nmap couldn't establish the status. Okay, so like this. There are the status of port scanning. So syntax is -p. You can use -p for the port scanning, or -p hyphen for the whole 65,500 53 5 whatever now, right now. So total 35 port number will be scanned using -p hyphen. For example, if I want to scan whole port number, I would like to use this command, which -p hyphen for scan whole port number. Correct. But at my side there is only one port number open. Okay, or even you can put the range like 1 to 6
6553.
sorry 65. Okay, so like this also. Even if you want to scan only 2 port number, then you can put 22 port number, whatever the port number you want to scan, put there. It will scan. Or if you want to add another also. Correct. So 80 port already open, that's why its status is like open. The port number is HTTP, and another port number 21 22 is not open, that it show that the port is closed. Okay, and the services also show here. Even you can use here like the range also done. Okay, or yeah, like this. All right, even if you want to scan FTP port number, you can put there the FTP only, or if you want to search HTTP port number, type there HTTP. The HTTP related services will be show here. Correct. like this. Getting na?
Yes.
Get it out?
No.
All right. So a P for the port scanning, right? And also you can apply range also. Okay. How? Just typing here. Put here your range IP address 1 to 50 or whatever the range you want to scan. So entire okay, 1 second. 2 to 5. We got a 8 host, I guess. These are the hosts. All right. So each host shows that the port number 80 and 8008 is close or open or filter or what that it show. Okay. So my IP address or whatever I think so 1.3's IP address belongs to your router because the TP links limited is it means what? This one is your router IP address,
Router.
correct? So the router IP address having the 80 port open. Correct now?
Right.
Right. Let me search here. Yeah. This TP link बरोबर? Correct.
Hmm.
Okay. And another port number which is open on the range IP address is my IP address. None of another. So 80 port number अब मेरे IP के ऊपर वो start है और एक TP link के ऊपर start है. So you can search like this also. Right now. Now what what next? How it work? How it work? Scan the like the arguments is like this. You can put the CIDR value or you can put the range also. पोर्ट लिस्ट आपण असं स्कॅन करू शकतो बाय टॅपिंग द पर्टिक्युलर पोर्ट नंबर कोमा यूज करून आपण करू शकतो सो पोर्ट रेंज इज लाईक दिस यू कॅन पुट द हायपन फॉर द स्कॅनिंग द पोर्ट रेंज इझी
Yes.
हा somebody messaging me all right so nmap okay now all port scan karna hai to hyphen I already show you and if you put here hyphen and the port number then it will show you just put the hyphen open command it means only open port will be shown after all scan okay only open port will be shown so open port or you can also execute the given below commands which hosts you which use parameter hyphen open to perform the some task in order to save the time ओके सो हाइपन ओपन से अपन क्या कर सकते हैं ओपन कर सकते हैं और स्कैन कर सकते हैं 40 minutes ago the offline status very smart huh? let's see so port services name also there hyphen p अपन MSRP से अपन क्या कर सकते हैं पर्टिकुलर पोर्ट नंबर को सो पोर्ट नंबर के ऊपर मैंने अभी तो बताया FTP की हम लोग को स्कैन करना है तो यू कैन पुट दैट FTP लाइक दिस UDP also done ना
Yes.
UDP means what TCP and UDP का मतलब समझाया था मैंने UDP faster है इसलिए हम लोग UDP यूज करते हैं there are number of services use UDP port number so if server use UDP port number then you can use UDP scanner so use SV so when you try to do nmapping only TCP port scanning will be done there but you need to do another scan like using SV it show the UDP port scan also okay so UDP ports range is like 1 to 50 से हम लोग कर सकते हैं whatever OS detections करना है तो what you want to do like operating system check करना है तो capital O use करना है okay even you can use hyphen capital A okay पुढे जाऊन आपण दाखवूया hyphen capital मध्ये काय होतं so hyphen O means what above command will dumps following information like device types which devices we use OS run okay Linux and all OSCPE like what is CPE command platform enumerations okay common platform enumerations ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कोणती आहे ते दाखवतो तो ठीक आहे ओएस डिटेल्स पण दाखवतो सो हायपन ओ ने तो ओएस ची इन्फॉर्मेशन इथे दाखवेल ओएस सीपी इज मायक्रोसॉफ्ट आहे विंडोज 7 आहे ओके एसपी वर्जन 1 आहे ह्या गोष्टी तुला खाली दाखवेल. हाव इट वर्क? ओएस डिटेक्शन्स इथे दाखवलं त्याने की कसं वर्क होतं ते. वर्जन स्कॅनिंग, आता पोर्ट नंबर आहे, नंबर ऑफ पोर्ट आहे, 65,000 पोर्ट आहे. देर आर नंबर ऑफ पोर्ट नंबर or we can call it services started on the server. Okay, so each service or each port number have some port number, sorry, version name or service name. FTP जो आहे, FTP ला आपण काय बोलतो, 21 पोर्ट नंबर बोलतो. ओके, तर 21 पोर्ट नंबर FTP ला आहे, तर FTP फक्त FTP नाही, तर त्याचं एक काहीतरी पर्टिक्युलर नाव आहे, व्हर्जन आहे. जसं की अँड्रॉइड आहे, अँड्रॉइड व्हर्जन 10, 11 असं असतं. तर असं FTP ला पण व्हर्जन असतं. जर FTPचं व्हर्जन जर जुनं असेल तर त्याच्यावरती काही एक्सप्लॉइट असू शकतो. मे बी देअर इज अ एक्सप्लॉइट्स
बरोबर.
for outdated versions.
Outdated version.
So check out the versions and try to exploit it. So by using the SV command, you can find out the versions related about, versions on the services, the port number which is up on the server. So इथे 135 port number is MSRPC, the version is this. Okay, so you can find out the Microsoft double IS, मतलब IIS HTTPD 7.5 वरती exploit आहे का. If there is the exploits on the 7.5 Microsoft HTTPD, you can use the particular exploit. So this is the vulnerability assessment points. Okay, so find the version, find the exploits related to the version. If there is a exploits available, that means vulnerability assessment done. Now the next is what? Try to exploit the given particular vulnerability exploits. So after that, we can call it penetration testing or exploitations. So till you are trying to enumerate the server, you are trying to find the vulnerabilities. So vulnerability assessment over in mapping, we can use a vulnerability assessment, right? So specific port versions आपण काढायचं असेल तर SV आपण यूज करतो पोर्ट नंबरला आणि स्पेसिफिक पोर्ट नंबरला टाकतो. ओके, प्रोटोकॉल स्कॅन करायचा आहे, यू कॅन यूज दिस. फास्ट स्कॅन साठी आपण काय यूज करतो आहे पण
F, capital F.
यस. अब इथे येतं टेम्पलेट स्कॅन मीन्स अगेन the main timing option say throw the T for the timing options, T for the parameter. If you may want more control over the timing in order to get scanned over the done with the quicker. Okay, so however, and mapping adjusts its timing automatically depending on the network speed. It's like depending on the speed. 80 means what? Paranoids, normal speed, nobody can detect you. This is a plus speed वाढेल तसं the possibility of detections of your scan may be the higher. So T0 means what? Nobody can detect. Suppose you scanning my server, then I cannot detect your scan. My service, my antivirus or my agent cannot detect that somebody scanning my server. Okay, 80. So now for the similar approach with a 6 timing template, you can specify them with the T options and the number 0 to 5 or their name as shown below. Okay, so T0 means paranoids. Oh yeah, I cannot pick up the call. 1 second. All right. So timing template scan is means what? 30 minutes ago. Oh, super. Master bro. T0 paranoid. T1 is sneaky. T2 is polite. T3 is normal. T4 is aggressive. T5 is insense. So as depend about the command, will perform aggressive scan and reduce the scan time for the enumerations of target system. Here, From the given below image, you can observe scan time is 14 seconds. Okay, 44. T4 certificate 14 seconds. All right. So now let me try here also. Let's see the timing. All right. And my IP address was 13, I guess 8. Uh, Whether I put here T0, the timing. Nmap address scan in 40 seconds. Okay. This can very slow. All right. No, no. Okay. So if I put here 1, okay, let it complete. Right.
Four.
Hmm.
Capital
T4 is like okay, okay, huh? Aggressive. You can call it aggressive scan also.
in 0.
Yeah, 0.25 seconds only, and put there 3 instead of 4,
Instead of 4,
3. Scan time will be same, and 2.
1 time.
Okay, all right. It take a time, huh? So why time it take a time? Because to avoid the evidence. No, no, no. Like it tolerance the evidence. Okay, all right. Exclude scan means what? You don't want to scan this IP address in between this range, and you can put the exclude command and type here your IP address which you don't want scan. All right, take a time actually. All right, so huh. So above command exclude the IP address which you don't want to scan. Aggressive scan again used for the hyphen a use करून आपण scan करतो. So in that arguments hyphen a, you are going to find 3 things like version, like using a script scan. Script scan is nothing but vulnerability scripts. Oh, there are number of scripts. Let me show you. Okay. So V for the so O for the version scan, SV for the script. Sorry, not a script. SV for the version scan. O for the OS detections. O for the OS detection. SV for the version detections. Version, and SC for the scan of script. Script means there are NSC script which is used for to find the vulnerability. Okay, let me show you scripts. आता याला आपण स्टॉप करूया. cd/user share nmap. Okay, sorry. Okay, and script. In a script folder, if you type ls command, there are number of script. The .nh is okay. So I just want to know FTP related issues. Okay. Okay. Nmap SC and put here the bar or HTTP and star. Let's see. So it will scan the whole HTTP related script, all HTTP related script. So this script is belongs to vulnerability. Ki HTTP adopts Cloud Fusion's vulnerability is there or not on this particular IP address. So if there is vulnerability, then it will show that yeah, okay, yeah, this vulnerability is over there, and we can exploit it. So each and every HTTP script will be run here. Okay, the argument is like here. We can put equal to or script equal to, okay, like this also, hyphen script equal to HTTP, and hyphen sc space http whatever the script is there they can check. So http to check the first script that it show that there is nothing else. Okay, so it will say search or scan the whole script. SC means find the vulnerability using the script.
Using this.
Because the script's path is user share and map and scripts. Okay. So capital A for it scan the O, SV and SC. And also trace route. Trace route means what? It find the hopes. The distance between the target and attackers. Okay. The hope or hopes.
Hopes.
Pronunciation may be different. I don't know. So these options only enable features not timing options such as T4 or it is used I guess the default T4 and the verbosity also that you might want to as well. You can see the by using one of the following command. This one, the result is this. So list can also there if you want to put IP address in file, just create a file, put your IP address and apply the -iel command and your file name where you put your IP address. All right. So using -iel, it scan the whole IP address and the output will be shown there. Okay now. So that one, ma'am, आला है ना? Okay. So that we call the end mapping. Okay, end mapping is like this. Okay, try this on your side. End mapping topic is done. Try this.
बहुत सारे जो पुराने वर्जन में काफी बहुत सारे